Here we have a Campbell Housefield 60-gallon vertical compressor. It's 230 volt. And it does have some shipping distress. The motor is damaged right here. Amazingly enough, it does still operate. So you just got your capacitor cover here. This base is bent a little bit. We're going to power it up just to show you that it does operate. Shut it off. So you got the there's a vent tube right here, your oil fill hole. It broke off. There's no damage to the pump. This pressure gauge needs to be replaced. Other than that, the regulator does operate. Okay, it looks barely damaged, but it was it did some free spun it, and it just seems like it would work, so we took a chance on it, and it does operate. All right, there's a plastic shroud, you can see it right here. It got damaged. You'd have to replace that, or just don't even bother using it if you don't want to. And we thank you for looking at our product.